My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware type application which is called Pomochit. I'm not sure what exactly it means. It reminds me of something in Russian. Anyway, my video is strictly for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you recover them. So before the ransomware attack, you were able to open the files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected. So it encrypts files and appends this Pomochit01 extension to the file names. The ransomware then tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on the start scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection of this ransomware. So do not skip this very important update procedure. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. With Premium license, your data will always be protected from all further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. Now, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.